The one more DAX function which is used is the all function. We already shown that all function how it works, but I haven't given in detail about that while discussing about the introduction video. Like here, both the sales we have total sales, and it is by using measures we could have created. But when I apply the filter here, the date filter which I applied in a slicer, this one is changing. All these things are changing. Okay, all these things are changing, but this one is not changed. Okay, this one is not changed because we calculated this one by using a applying a all function. Okay, means I have taken irrespective of the date, it should not change. Okay, how to do that one, how to create such measures, we are going to learn here. Okay, in measure, I create a new measure. I just say that them total underscore all underscore sum. Just I am giving a thing to make you understand. I say sales, all sales. I need to use a calculate function. Okay, in calculate I need to take a sum only because total we are calculating. Sum of the sales only we are taking, so sales column is selected. All right, close the bracket, it's complete that sum formula, comma. Now, in a filter, what I will do, I will apply this all function so that none of the date, it will not change any date. Okay, for the date filter, it will not be applied. So I say all. Now we need to select what? We need to select a that particular this one, right? So all the like sales data, order date we have to select. I just write order date here itself so that we get order date. Okay. Irrespective of the order date change in a slicer or anywhere, it should not change what I am trying to say for them. Right? So I say order date, close the bracket. Okay, all the order date, it will take it. Then again I will close the bracket, so it will complete this one. In case for the order date, I can apply one more filter also. Here one more filter I can apply, but one filter is here is about all the date to be selected. Okay, I'm just saying that all the date to be selected, irrespective of the date filter, it should not change. Just say okay. Okay, we created one measure here. I will just create one card. Okay, we take that total sales into that particular card just to show you that. Now you can see the moment I change the dates. Okay, these things are not changing even though the sales is changing. Okay, you may be taken that sum of sales what you have been done. Okay, but it is not at all changing because it has been applied with the filter. We have been asked to not to filter for a date. Okay, we used a all function. There's a one of the function like to avoid some of the column not to be filtered, then we use that all function. Means all the data in that particular column will be taken into the consideration. That is how all function works. In coming session, we'll discuss about more other functions also.